Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys the Dyson Cyclone V10, and this really is an awesome vacuum cleaner. As you can see, we have the little home port here. This is where you charge it. You mount it up to the wall, plug it in. Which is nice is that it comes with a couple different attachments, so that also fits right there in that home port. Whoops. You just click it in like that. So it comes with a couple different settings. So there's level 1, level 2, and boost. So that's how level 1 sounds. That's how level 2 sounds. And that's how boost sounds. So you can see the boost is super powerful. It's got the swivel head on the bottom. So when you put it up, it actually will stand. When you put it on the stand, it will go straight. But then when you put it on the ground, it will go like that. You see I got a little mess here. I'm going to clean it up with this vacuum cleaner. So, yep, the mess is gone. As you can see, this thing is super powerful. It also detaches right here. So if you wanted to do more of like a handheld version, I'm going to throw on this other attachment that it comes with so you can see it. You can do like a handheld version like this. Yeah. Get some smaller areas. And then when you do want to use the filter, or when you want to, get rid of the debris and use the filter, you're going to open this part up here and then slide it out. Once you start sliding it out, like the garbage starts coming out, so I'm not going to show it all the way. But, yep, it's super easy to take off, and you click it back on and close it up like that. And, yeah, like I said, this is a super, powerful vacuum cleaner. When you do put it on boost, it can be kind of loud. As you can tell, kind of loud. It blows some air out there, too. But overall, I really like this thing. The battery life is great. I love the home port that it comes with. It's easily mounted in our closet. And yeah, that's a review of the Dyson Cyclone V10.